So today you'll learn how to scan a QR code using your OnePlus 13. So the first step is to ensure that QR code scanning has been enabled on your OnePlus. And to do that, you want to start by launching the camera app, and then you want to access settings. To do that, tap on this menu icon, and then you want to select settings. Once you're in your camera settings, you then want to scroll down to the photo section, and you should see QR code scanning. So just tap on the toggle like this to enable it. And then once it's enabled, your OnePlus should be able to scan QR codes. So just go back to the camera. And then once you've done that, you want to put your QR code down in a well-lit environment. And then you want to just hover the camera of your OnePlus over the QR code. So hover it like that. And then you should see the link for that QR code appearing on your screen. Just want to tap on the link, and then it will redirect you to wherever the link is taking you. So the link is taking me to the website for our YouTube channel. So that's how you can use your OnePlus to scan a QR code. You can also choose to use the shortcut that's available in Quick Settings. And to do that, you want to swipe down for the Quick Settings menu, and then swipe down again so that you can view all the quick settings. And then you want to swipe through the different options until you get to scan QR code. So swipe until you find QR code, tap to scan. If you don't find it, then you can always choose to just add it. So to do that, tap on this settings icon. Tap on these three dots, then select edit tiles. Then you want to look for under more tiles, you want to look for the QR code option. Then when you find it, just tap on this plus icon. It will be added to this menu here. And then you can just go back and you should see the QR code option added to the quick settings menu. Then from there, you just want to tap on that scan QR code and use the QR code scanner to open the link. So bring the QR code out, then use your phone to scan it. Then it will tell you open with Chrome. So tap on open, and then you can just open the QR code directly from your OnePlus. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.